So today we all gathered here for Positives of 5 program and for share our experience about math course. So I'll tell you about my experience. Basically, I was searching a English institute where I can learn English and all grammars. And I joined Geo Institute. And now I can say that I took the right decision that I chose this institute. Because apart from English, we can learn here so many things. And there is a sequence for learning English, and the sequence is P1, P2 and P3. In P1 practice course, we get to learn about all English grammars, and in P2 perform course, we get to learn about SLRW.
Line in.
You may have heard about speaking, listening, reading, writing is extremely important for learning English, and yes, it is. If you follow SLRW daily 25 minutes, we can definitely improve our English. Just we have to manage our time and give priority to speaking mostly. Because the more we speak, the more we get fluency. In E3, we get a chance to develop our skills. And I find it unique. I learned here time management skill, anger management skill, personality development skill, public relations skill, and so on. And especially I like confidence development skill most, because I have lack of confidence when I was in school. But here I get a stage to perform, and by this I able to remove my hesitation while speaking English. And day by day my confidence level increased. And now I can express myself more clearly and confidently in front of you. Overall, the coaching made a huge difference in my communication skills. And one of the biggest thing I learned from here is the power of positive thinking. I realized that a positive mindset is extremely important, not only by learning English, but in life too. And positive thinking means seeing the bright side of any situation. It doesn't mean ignoring the problem. It means facing them with the hope and the confidence. I believe that our thoughts shape our future. If we keep saying, I can't do this, I'm not able to do that, then our mind will accept it and believe us. But if we say, I try and I learn, then the success becomes possible. Now, I remind myself every day that your mind is a powerful thing. If you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. At the end of my speech, I want to share a remarkable thought that every day may not be good, but there is something good in everything. I am truly grateful to be here today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Line in.
I study in class 12 and I am from Kapan. Today is a very special day that we all are present here. And last year also sir has organized this program, which is very good. That time our batch was consisted of 12 people. Along with study, we also enjoyed a lot. And sir taught us English grammar and a lot of things. I like magical dance very much. And sir get outdoor classes for us. And sir taught us P1, P2 and P3 problem. P1 is grammar and P2 we taught all skills and a lot of things. I also like grammar and all of skills. Today we are gathering here for positivism pride. So we also know the meaning of positivism. Positivism is to be positive and never to be disappointed. If we all fall something, we never to be disappointed, but we within ourselves and to be positive. And at the end of my speech, I would like to say some quotation. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says always possible. I am possible. Thank you so much.
Prism 5 and share my experience. When I was class 10, I don't not know English. Then I joined Geo Institute, Rahul sir. Then I speak English very much and fluent. In P1 I learn English grammar. In P2 I learn SLRW as means speaking and listening, R means reading and W means writing. And in the last week we learn about our skill development like personality development, anger management, time management, etc. And sir has told us and going to outdoor class like Indra Udyan, garden and main road, etc. And a picture of our English journey. And in the last I will taking a thought, be positive, be true, be kind. Thank you.